Today, we're diving into the Pentax KR DSLR camera, a mid-level DSLR that may be over a decade old, but still has a lot to offer for beginners and photography enthusiasts who want a reliable and affordable entry point into DSLR photography. Design build. The Pentax KR features a compact and lightweight body compared to many DSLRs of its era, weighing around 598 grams with the battery. The grip is comfortable, making it suitable for longer shooting sessions. Image quality. The KR packs a 12.4 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. Now, that may sound small compared to today's 24 MP and higher sensors, but this sensor still delivers excellent image quality with great color reproduction, sharpness, and dynamic range. Video capabilities. While the KR is primarily a stills camera, it does include video recording at 720p at 25 frames per second or 30 frames per second. Unfortunately, there's no 1080p Full HD, and no manual control for video exposure, so it's very limited compared to modern cameras. Lenses compatibility. The KR uses the Pentax K-mount, which gives you access to a huge range of lenses, from modern autofocus lenses to classic manual lenses dating back decades. Overall, the Pentax KR may not compete with today's mirrorless giants, but it's still a fantastic entry-level DSLR if you're on a tight budget or just starting out in photography. Thank you so much.